Welcome to the Transformer Manufacturing and Service Hub. VERTO Engineering Corporation. VERTO Engineering Corporation is an ISO 9001 and IEC certified Indian company having good infrastructure and experts team. Specialized in manufacturing and repairing of air core reactors, iron core reactors, chokes, inductors, lighting duty, isolation and ultra-isolation transformers, voltage stabilizers, detuned reactors, control transformers, RF dryer application transformers, special transformers. We provide on-site servicing of transformers, air core and iron core reactors, VCB, H.T and L.T panels. Design and maintenance, like inverter duty 3-winding, 4-winding and 5-winding transformers, converter duty. Spares for transformers like silica gel, oil, buckholes relay, magnetic oil level gauge etc. We also supply special products like crimpless lugs, connectors for better and safe performance substation equipment and transformer. Third-party inspections service for electrical equipment. Design center for transformers, electrical design and on-site issues consultancy service. VERTO having experts team for transformer assembly and installation at site. All accessories are assembled and transformers are installed as per manufacturer's drawings, manuals, and instructions. Minor damages etc. are also corrected in consultation with transformer manufacturer. Erection and pre-commissioning tests at site. Vacuum oil filling, filtration and testing. All applicable tests to ensure that transformer is ready for charging are performed by our engineers. Our compliance with international safety and quality standards symbolize the reliability of our products and services. With a vision to escalate our global footprint in the segment, we envisage to establish a place within top companies and key markets of the world. Now we are authorized partner for the insurance service. For machine breakdown and loss of profit insurance, New India Assurance Company Limited. VERTO Engineering Corporation. One-step solution for all your need.